So here's the front, the side, the back. Here's the side again, and the top. So the case comes in a plastic bag. It's a smooth case, it feels pretty nice. The zipper is really good quality. The zipper feels very nice as well. So inside it has a nice soft background. Now the case is only made out of thin cardboard, so it will bend. It's pretty soft, but not that soft. It's pretty sturdy as well. So you're gonna have to flip over these elastic flaps to put the switch in. It's nice because it'll stop the switch from accidentally falling out. And zipping it back closed. So this is pulling the switch out. So the games fit in nice on these elastic holders. So this is a game flap that can hold 8 games. I'm not scared that they're gonna fall out. So I'm testing a USB cord in the pocket on top. So the USB cord is pretty thick. You can feel it pressing against the screen, so you have to watch out. You can't really put that long of a cable on top. It still fits, and it should be fine because you have that game flap that's protecting the screen. So it's just a case here packaged in the box. There's a very nice gold symbol for the zipper. It's about the same size as the cheap Walmart brand. And it can hold more games in this one. It comes with a screen cleaner. It can hold 14 games on top. The switch goes into this mesh-like semi-sponge, it's kind of spongy, holder. There is only cardboard on the top, and there is no stability at the bottom. So it is very weak, and you can hear the buttons being pressed with just a tiny squeeze. This case is expensive because it looks nice, but it's not really that practical. Now there's no cable holder in this case, but I guess you could kind of throw it in the front, in front of the mesh screen, but I wouldn't do that. So the Walmart case, you can kind of click the buttons as well, but because it's more stable on the edges, including the front. If you squeeze the middle, it won't squeeze the button. You really have to feel it out on the edges and squeeze pretty hard. If you're going for looks, the Zelda case is more expensive and looks nicer, but the Walmart one is more practical. And I'm gonna have to go with the Walmart one.